Hello everyone, I am Ambalika from Swami Vivekananda Institute of Modern Science. In this video, I am going to discuss about some basic introduction about Linux operating system. So now you can ask, what is Linux? Well, just like Windows, iOS, macOS, Linux is an operating system. In fact, Linux is the best known and most used open source operating system nowadays. Hope you understand. The Linux operating system has many unique features such as it has kernel programming interface. The kernel is the heart of the operating system, responsible for controlling the resources and scheduling user jobs. All the programs interact with the kernel through the system calls, which is special function. Many users can perform at a time. A multi-user operating system allows many users to access all the system resources simultaneously. Even many tasks can be performed at a time. Linux is a fully protected multitasking operating system. It contains file system. The Linux file system provides a file structure where files are arranged under a directory. There are various stages in the evolution of Linux operating system. In stage 1, before 1969, the waiting time was very high, which reduced the efficiency and speed. In stage 2, in 1969, Ken Thompson developed a simplified version of an operating system called Multics. In stage 3, Ken Thompson developed an experiment called space travel. This stage was the turning point in the development of Unix. In stage 4, in 1980, Unix was rewritten completely in C. During this period, many versions of Unix were released. Finally, in stage 5, in the year of 1991, it was Linus Torvalds' experiment with Minix that led to the creation of a new Unix-like operating system and named it as Linux. Linux is very popular due to its special features and its structure. Its structure consists of kernel, shell, tools, and applications. Kernel forms the core of the Linux operating system. This interacts with the hardware. It is loaded into the memory when a system is booted. Since the kernel isolates itself from user programs, it can be moved across different systems. Kernel does not interact with the user directly. Instead, it starts up a separate file called shell. Shell interacts with the user and the computer. There are different types of shell available. They are Bourne shell, C shell, Korn shell, T shell. But the shell that is officially distributed with the Linux systems and widely used is the Bash shell. Now, we have to see the differences between Unix and Linux. Unix can be used by its copywriters only, whereas Linux is an open source operating system and it is freely available to everyone. Unix was developed mainly for servers, workstations, and mainframes. But anyone can use the Linux operating system. Even if nowadays students can also use it. Unix copyright vendors decide different cost for their respective Unix operating system. Whereas Linux is freely distributed and downloaded, even if it is cheaper than Windows. Let's compare Linux and Windows. Linux is an open source operating system, whereas Windows is a closed operating system. Linux is free software, but Windows is little bit expensive. Linux has live CD distribution system that Windows does not. Linux is far more secure than Windows. Windows is insecure than Linux. There is no virus, malware in Linux, but there is a virus and malware you can get in Windows. Linux has low hardware cost, whereas Windows has high hardware cost. Customizable add features is available in Linux operating system, but Windows is not customizable. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and comment, and please subscribe for my upcoming videos. Till then, take care and bye.